Capitol Hill, the oldest continuously operating African-American church in Tennessee on Rosa Parks Boulevard.
Now, forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
And we're keeping a close eye on the weather tonight. Some possible storms, I guess.
Yeah, some storms out there now. Fortunately, not very many of them becoming severe just yet, but it remains a distinct possibility as we head through the evening, including this thunderstorm that's moving into Clarksville right now. Good view of those ominous-looking clouds. No warnings in effect for Montgomery County, but it remains a possibility as that storm continues to intensify as well. Let's take a look at the forewarned live radar and what we're seeing right now. The yellow shaded counties, that's the severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect until 10 o'clock. One warning that's crawling on the bottom of your screen is for Cumberland County, Kentucky. It's in effect until 4:35. It's for this thunderstorm that's just going to graze northwestern Cumberland County. The storm here to the northeast of Burkesville is not severe, just barely. Looking at southeastern Middle Tennessee, and some scattered storms have been developing throughout the day. These are far enough ahead of the system that's organizing all this activity that these are not likely to become severe, just producing some cloud to ground lightning and some heavier rainfall. This is the storm with those clouds that we just looked at in Clarksville. Moving into Clarksville itself from the west and southwest, the storm complex extends up into southern Kentucky, southeastern Christian County, southern Todd County, southern Logan County, and then back to the southwest into Stewart County and Houston County. It's not severe, but it could be producing some small hail, some very heavy rainfall, and plenty of cloud to ground lightning. The radar sweep going by again, and those storms are tracking off to the northeast. The motion of all of this has been from southwest to northeast throughout the day. We're going all the way back to this morning. You can see the thunderstorms developing. The first severe thunderstorm watch being issued just after noon. The next wave of severe thunderstorm watches being issued as we headed toward about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Storms in southern Kentucky did prompt some warnings during the afternoon. No reports of any damage out of that just yet, but wait to hear from the National Weather Service. And then more storms farther out to the west continue to develop. So it's going to be coming at us in waves as we head through the rest of the evening and even into the first half of tonight. A lot of times when the sun goes down, it takes a lot of energy out of the atmosphere and things kind of settle down. But there are more storms developing along the Mississippi River. So this first wave moving from southwest to northeast. Second wave pretty much moving straight west to east. The wave after that moving from northwest to southeast. So things change direction a little bit. We're likely going to see more severe thunderstorm watches issued across the rest of the mid-state as we head through tonight. Looking outside in Nashville right now, partly cloudy, hazy, hot, humid. Very hot, actually, very humid as well. 93 degrees is the temperature right now in Nashville. You can see the influence of the rain-cooled air in northwestern Middle Tennessee. That doesn't help us out yet, though, across most of the mid-state. It feels like 102 degrees. That's the heat index, the result of the heat and the humidity. Fortunately, the system, while it's bringing us the severe weather potential this evening, it's going to bring us some relief from the heat and humidity as we head into the weekend. But we have to pay the piper with these storms moving through as we head through this evening. So Futurecast has a pretty good handle on the overall pattern right now. And as we head through the evening, the storms continue to move through in waves, and they will be intense, mainly producing a damaging straight-line wind threat, and then some additional development expected in the late night and early morning hours because the actual cold front that's driving this whole thing isn't going to move in until tomorrow morning. So we'll be seeing more scattered showers and thunderstorms for the first half of the day on Saturday. That heaviest activity should be moving off the Cumberland Plateau by about midday. Some lingering showers Saturday afternoon. I can't rule it out. It's going to be kind of splash and dash activity. It shouldn't ruin any outdoor plans. But for this evening, the threat is severe weather in terms of damaging straight line wind potential. It's an enhanced risk, the way the Storm Prediction Center has phrased it, along and north of I-40, slight risk elsewhere. In order, damaging straight line winds, the possibility of large hail. I can't cross isolated tornadoes off the list, but it's not the primary threat. And then heavy rain and frequent lightning out of any thunderstorm, regardless of whether it's severe or not. We'll keep you posted with the warnings at the bottom of your screen. They're automatically posted to my Twitter timeline as well, so you can just follow me at Paul Hagen WSMV, and we'll be keeping you updated as we head through the evening. Nicer weather shaping up as we head through the weekend. Sunday looks like the nicest day we've seen around here for a long time.
All right, Paul, we're looking forward to that. And this is certainly tied to the weather. The homeless need your help.